Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an updated wash day routine using Earth Supplied. I'm going to be using products from the Moisture and Repair collection and the Strength and Length collection, and both of these collections are available at Sally's. I'm going to tell you guys all about this line, about the pricing, about how it works on my hair, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. So I'm starting out with a 3-day-old wash and go, and you guys have been asking me what have I been using on my hair. I've been using Earth Supplied. I love this line. I've been working with this brand since before they even launched. So I got to try the products and test everything out before I actually added them to my regimen. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And the first product I'm gonna use is the Hair Slip Conditioning Detangler. This is a part of the Strength and Length collection. It has Jamaican black castor oil and bamboo in it. And of course, these products have no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens or mineral oils. I'm also going to be using this with my water bottle. You want to use it on damp hair. And this product is really just formulated to help with reducing breakage and damage. You know, I can't personally detangle my hair on dry hair, so this definitely helps to add some slip and moisture into my hair while I go ahead and detangle my hair in sections. And if you guys have been here for a while, you know I like to detangle my hair in sections, and that just helps me keep it detangled while I wash it. So I'm also going to keep it in these sections while I wash it so it doesn't tangle back up. And I just love doing this because it just cuts down my wash day by 30 minutes. If I try to just detangle my hair while I'm in the shower, it's a hot mess. And so just to avoid that, I usually do it before. And I love to do like a pre-poo. So definitely I like using this Hair Slip Conditioning Detangler as like a pre-poo before I shampoo my hair to just add some more moisture into my hair. And this detangler is only $5.99. So guys, everything in this line is very, very affordable. Now the next thing I'm going to go in with is the shampoo from the Moisture and Repair collection. And I like the shampoo because of course it does not strip my hair. That's my biggest thing when it comes to shampoos. I just hate when my hair feels really stripped and really dry. So like I told you guys, this has been about 2 or 3 weeks since I washed my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my hair twice. I usually like to focus on the scalp and then work my way down to my hair. Now for my deep conditioning, I'm going to be using the Earth Supplied Strong Strands Protein Mask. This is from the Strength and Length collection. It's made with 15% castor oil and bamboo. And this deep conditioner is only $7.99. And it is a mask, but you know, mask, deep conditioner, basically the same thing. I like to leave this on for about 30 to 45 minutes. The packaging says 10 to 15, whichever you prefer. But since I haven't washed my hair in about 2 to 3 weeks, I definitely wanted to load it up with this mask and keep it on there. Now guys, the consistency of this mask is super duper thick, so a little bit goes a long way. You guys know that I'm super heavy handed. I like to make sure the life is just put right back into my hair after going so long without, you know, detangling it or moisturizing it or anything like that. So I definitely recommend this deep conditioner. I am all here for a thick deep conditioner. Now I'm just gonna apply a shower cap on my hair and leave that on for 45 minutes. So now it's time to rinse out the deep conditioner. And guys, this deep conditioner left my hair extremely defined, and it also left it feeling extremely moisturized. So my hair felt super moisturized, super defined. And off camera, I went ahead and added some of the products that are also from the Strength and Length collection. I went ahead and added the Retention Oil Serum, the Night Night Lay Me Down Cream, as well as the Anti-Breakage Shine Oil, which I always use to seal my wash and goes. And none of these products are over $8, so they're all under $10. I definitely recommend that you try this line. It is available at Sally's. and you can check it out on earthsupply.com. Also, one quick thing, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be picking one winner on Instagram and one winner on YouTube. So definitely check the description box below and see how you can enter this giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're new here, and I hope you guys look forward to more videos using Earth Supply. I can show you guys some more styles and different routines I do. Love and blessings, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.